Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Critters. My name is Frank and today we're going to be picking some green beans and canning them.
One of the best ways that we've found to harvest green beans is we just yank the whole plant up and bring it into the barn, and then we're able to sit and pick and snap and do all the things all of at once. So that's a nice thing that we have learned to do in the last couple of years, is we just pick a row at a time, and then everybody takes a seat and snaps away. Welcome to an inside look at the meeting of the minds.
At home too. Oh yeah, the water cannon. That'll work. Well, if it's not rusted on the inside.
Now what are we doing, Granny?
I'm gonna wash this sink. It's right here.
We have Granny on jar washing committee. She is the pro dishwasher of the family. So she she takes great pride in washing jars instead of having to snap beans. So we've got 3 jars. We need 4 more to get another canner filled when we're ready for it. So I'm going to go ahead and pack some green beans in these ones that we've got, just for time's sake and to keep everything going. So obviously we don't totally need this, but it does make it easier when we're filling the first part of the jar. And we always try to check as they go in and make sure they don't have any like big nasty rust spots or anything like that. Because sometimes those little hands that are out there helping us snap green beans wing in whatever comes their way. Granny's rule is you keep a towel on the counter for tapping your jars so you don't bust it. And then once I get pretty close to the top, I take off the funnel and start packing them with my hands to get them in there nice and tight. Alright, so that is a pretty full jar. Then we take 1 teaspoon of salt and add it in. And then in a minute we'll take our hot water and we'll fill it up to about a 1/2 inch headspace. Yeah, we should. Granny's lids are in here. What are you looking for? Right here. Oh. Well, no, there's tons of lids out there. The lids have been located. I should be alright. We can get these filled and set the timers on at 10 yet. Alright, so our first pressure cooker is up to 10 pounds of pressure now. So she's going to kind of adjust the heat a little bit, that way it holds steady and doesn't pressure up too high. And then we'll set our timer for 25 minutes to process those, and then we'll take them out. Okay. I think we had to just turn the burner off last time. It could be on the table.
doing? We are lifting the jars out of the pressure cooker after 25 minutes.
So everything processed for 25 minutes. We gave it time to pressure down, pop the lid off, and now we're going to take these out and get another set in.
Are we ready to be